Welcome guys to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Thank you for following the channel. You could follow us at cryptomillion.co to join our Discord group to get these calls early. This video today, excited to bring it to you guys. Crypto is on fire. The 4 cryptos that could 50x by December. We want to buy these cryptos now, okay? These are 4 cryptos that could 50x by December. Not next month, December. These coins could 50x your money, okay? Crypto is in a bull run right now. It is on fire. We are going into the parabolic stage in the next month or two. It could be sooner. It could happen at any time. And the parabolic stage usually lasts for about a week or two and then it's over. So we're going into that stage probably in the next 6 weeks. Next 8 weeks to the end of the year, right? We're going into that stage. So you got to know which cryptos can 50x, which cryptos can make you the most money now that you need to buy now. I'm going to give those to my members in the Discord at cryptomillion.co. Luckily, if you follow this channel, you're going to get 2 of them on this video. The other 2 will be in the Discord group, the top 2, okay, guys? I'm going to give you 2 right now, and I want you to, follow the channel, subscribe to the channel, join us at cryptomillion.co for this bull run to get all of the picks, okay, guys? Okay, so this is the education and the legal stuff. This is the education information on the channel. I am not a registered investment advisor. I do not provide investment advice. Any investments are highly speculative and any losses are your responsibility. Do your own research before making any decisions, okay? So the first coin, the 4 cryptos that could 50x by December, you want to buy now. Doge of Elon is up 400%. Doge of Elon is a passion project. They've worked to create a CryptoPunks alternative that represents us, the meme coin holders. We have all witnessed the power of the meme coin community and its strength, which has universally defied experts. In celebration of this, we have created 10,000 unique NFTs featuring everybody's favorite K9, containing special sub-collections with 30 Elons and 70 zombies Doges. To ensure the safety of the community, we took the extra step to get our contracts audited by Certec. How many NFT projects are even audited? Not many. So keep an eye out for this project, Doge of Elon. Now, this project is here. It's 26 cents right now. The market cap is 50 million. It could 50x from here. It could definitely 20x from here. Where can you get this project? I'm going to show you guys. So right now, this project, Doge of Elon. Doge of Elon is this is a unique NFT Doge project. You can buy it on Uniswap. Really, Elon is super popular in crypto. This is very, very popular guy in crypto. This project could definitely do really well. So I definitely want you guys to get an alert on this project. Keep an eye out on it. Dogs of Elon. I'm sorry, I said Doge of Elon. It's Dogs of Elon. So the Dogs of Elon is 26 cents. It was a high of 32 cents in the last 24 hours. Definitely a project to keep an eye out on. It's just starting. I'm going to show you the Ether scan real quick. It has about 4,971 holders just starting. The all-time high, it just hit its all-time high of 32 cents 3 hours ago. It came from all-time low of 8 cents. But yeah, the Dogs of Elon, this is definitely a project that could 50x. Elon is very popular in crypto. Definitely a project that you want to keep an eye on, okay? Doge of Elon. Keep an eye on that project. What else can I tell you about the project? Oh, people are going to say, well, I always get the question, where can I get the project? Always click on market or CoinMarketCap. You can get the project on Uniswap. A lot of the volumes on Uniswap. Actually, I believe it's one of the top tokens on Uniswap right now in terms of volume. Dogs of Elon. Let me see if I can find it. Dogs of Elon. Let's see. Dogs of Elon. Did I miss it? Well, maybe it doesn't have as much volume as I thought. I mean, the volume is, what does that say, 15 million? 15 million in volume? So, 15 million in volume. You can hear 15 million in the 15 million list. But we do know that you can get it on Uniswap, right? So, you can just connect your wallet here, get it on Uniswap. Dogs of Elon. The second token on our list is Pixelverse. This is another NFT project. Pixelverse is constructing our platform to become the Google of virtual interaction. Under our umbrella, we feature Pixel Cloud, a content creator platform for community growth and monetization. Pixel NFT, our multi-chain NFT system with a state-of-the-art NFT marketplace. Pixel House, a gaming and NFT system for the casual and career gamers. Pixel Swap, our customized decks for NFTs that will premiere the world's first NFT mining. And Pixel Launch, our metaverse and game center project Launchpad. All of these will be housed in our Pixelverse, a metaverse offering a Disneyland experience of entertainment and content for global consumers. Big project, huge what they're doing. Pixelverse, definitely one that you want to keep an eye out on. It's 31 cents right now. It's up 95% on the day. Now, I want to say you can get it on Gate.io and PancakeSwap because it's on the Binance Smart Chain. It looks like it's on the Ethereum Smart Chain as well. But so you can get on Gate.io and PancakeSwap. Those that are in America, you can join Gate.io exchange as well. What do we want to look at here with Pixelverse? So Pixelverse, like I said before, is an NFT project. As you can see, Pixelverse, next generation metaverse. It's a part of that metaverse narrative that Facebook is working on. NFT ecosystem platform for games and communities and creators. Pixelverse, definitely a good pick. What is Pixelverse? Pixelverse is a virtual world platform and toolset that allows creators and communities to create their own NFTs in the next generation metaverse. Okay. What makes Pixelverse a little bit different is there's X Network Capital, Chainridge Capital. There's these big capital groups, Skybridge, 20 Ventures that are behind it. Definitely something that you want to check out when you see those big investors. And as well, we want to look at the team for Pixelverse. These are the team members. They are visible, which is another good sign as well. And the advisors are visible as well. So Pixelverse is going to be probably in the metaverse. Maybe they'll team up with Facebook one day. I don't know. But definitely a project to keep an eye out on. Pixelverse is one to watch. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. Real quick, the 4 cryptos that could 50x by December, buy now. I gave you 2 of the cryptos. The one was the Dogs of Elon, the other one was Pixelverse. Now, if you want to get the top 2 millionaire 50x coins to buy now, join cryptomillion.co. If you want to get the top 2 millionaire 50x coins to buy now, join cryptomillion.co. Now, how do you join cryptomillion.co? Well, you type cryptomillion.co in the web browser and you come to this page to join our Discord. You can see our results here. There's a YouTube video with our results. You put your email in, your card number, and you join our Discord group and you get those top 2 coins, and you also get all of the other calls that we've made. We had a call that did a 20x recently. If you want to get in our group, see those calls, put your email, card number in here, pay $25. You can get in and join the Crypto Fastlane VIP Discord group. We make money all the time. We want you guys to be a part of it. Thank you for joining the group, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. God bless America. Be good to each other out there, okay? Thank you.